welcome back. So today I'm going to unbox this. This one's the POWEROWL replacement 6400 mAh rechargeable battery for Ring doorbell, Ring camera, for Ring video doorbell, series 2, 3, 4, 3 plus, peephole cam, stick-up cam, second and third generation, and spotlight cam. And this one is the 2-pack. So with the 6400 mAh long-lasting cam battery for better performance. It has multiple charging options. You can charge with your laptop, power bank, socket, and a car charger. So when it's charging, both the green and red light are on. And when it's fully charged, only the green light will stay on. It has an intelligent protection system, short circuit protection, overcurrent protection, over voltage protection, overcharge protection. So yeah, be sure to check out the link that's going to show you in the description. And if there's a coupon box, make sure you click on it before you check it out. And they have a good review on this battery. By the way, I also use POWEROWL for many of their different types of batteries, and I am fully satisfied. So yeah, I'd like to give a shout out to Bella from their marketing team for sending me this. So yeah, let's go ahead and unbox it. And it is made in China. So it comes with a USB Type A to a micro USB. There's a push button right here. And there's a red and a green LED indicator right here. Here's a battery contact. And a charging port right here, micro USB. It's a 3.65 volt lithium ion battery. So I'm gonna plug this to my power bank real quick and test it out. So that means charging, okay? So with the dual pack, you don't need to worry about you're gonna run out of juice while you try to charge your original one, alright? Anyway, hopefully you guys give a thumbs up and then like the video. Please be sure to hit the subscribe button, turn on the bell for notification, or drop any other comments on below. And thank you for watching. See you guys on the next one. Like always, Peace.